Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Fire Dimensions here. Today, I'm just gonna take a nap. Good night, guys. I'll see you guys outside when I wake up from my nap. So I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, we are outside. Let me just pick up the camera, right? Okay guys. Right. Hope you guys can see that. Can you see me? Ow. Alright guys, we're about to do this. You ready? I'm ready. Alright guys, hopefully you guys can see this. If you guys can, I'm gonna have to restart the whole video again and make a new one. Like, comment, subscribe for daily videos, and subscribe if you're new, and like, comment. Yeah, let's try to get to 1 like today. If we hit 1 like today, then I'll post another video. Okay? This is gonna be epic. I'm gonna try doing a better drift, guys. I'll be right back. That was epic. Let's try to hit 1 like in this video. If you want, if we hit 2 likes, I'll post 2 more videos. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye and stay rad. Fire Dimensions signing off. Woo! Fire Dimensions, what do you like? Fire Dimensions! Yeah.